Good morning here in the Philippines. There's a nice smell coming from our barbecue. We have pork from this morning. We bought it just outside. Thanks for fetching it, babe. Our little improvised barbecue. But cooking nicely. Chunks of pork. Look at that for crackling. Already salted by our chef. Yeah, it's cooking nicely, even we just made that barbecue ourselves, improvised.
In the province, we just cook it on the top of the charcoal.
Huh?
Yeah.
You don't even have a metal...
No, we don't have. We just put on the top.
Don't it burn it?
That's the purpose though.
I thought the purpose was to cook it and smoke it.
Nicely cooked bed.
Like that? Well, sorry I found that tray to put it on. I think that's cooking nicely. I can hear a plane in the sky. Hear it but can't see it. That's the sound we don't hear much lately. So thank you for watching our little barbecue here in Butuan in the Philippines.
They don't see it, man, but what?
Oh,
Make it beautiful.
look. Look at that for crackling. Maybe if you have any seeds in this plant pot, they will be coming up very quickly.
Yeah, because
with the heat. It's just there to help balance our makeshift barbecue. Thank you for watching. Hot, I think. Any good?
Yeah, of course.